Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can change Zoho Books or password. It's a very easy thing to do. You can do it very easily. So just follow these steps and how you can do it. So let's get started. First, go to zoho.com and log in with your credentials. After logging in from this home page, you will see your profile icon from the right side. Just click on it, then select my account from here. Now here you will see a bunch of options on the left side bar. So from the left side menu, select security. Now here you will see password. Then what you have to do, just select change password. Now you have to enter your current password, then type new password and type the new password again, and then select change password, and now it will be changed. So that's it. That's how you can change your Zoho Books password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips like this.